We're going to clean and color the grout for this floor. We're going to demonstrate you the difference from before and after. And we're going to start with applying the grout and tile cleaner. We're applying the cleaner over the tiles and the grout joints. You're going to let it sit for a few minutes. Then we're going to steam wash the entire floor. We started the cleaning process over the joints with hot steam and a breast brush. Final general cleaning of the tiles and the grout. Extracting any leftover dirt from the grout joints and the tiles. This is the process of coloring the grout. Tiles have been cleaned and the grout joints have been colored. Huge transformation from before. As you can see, in the part of the floor that's not been cleaned yet, and the joints have not been colored before and after. Next step, we will apply a protective sealer on grout and tiles. Now we're applying the final coat of clear sealer. This sealer will not enhance the color over the grout or the tiles, but it will prevent it from getting dirty. We're wiping off the excess sealer. Get the extra sealer into the grout joints and off the tile surface.